I'm Coco from Lakeman Automation. Today, I'm very glad to introduce you our CNC mill turning center, CK-108MY, which combines with high precision, high efficiency, and strong rigidity, making it very ideal for machining complex parts. The maximum swing of a bed is 500 mm. Maximum machining diameter is 400 mm. Maximum machining length is 500 mm. Spindle bore is 66 mm. And the maximum bar diameter is 52 mm. Built with an integrated HT 300 high-strength cast iron base and a patent 30 degrees lamp bed design, it ensures smooth chip removal and exceptional rigidity, perfect for heavy-duty cutting and continuous production. Powered by the Fanuc CNC system, it offers a user-friendly operation and supports advanced machining functions for high-precision production. The X and the Z axis are equipped with 35 mm Japan THK Roland linear guide, offering long service life and reliable performance. Travel ranges are 250 mm for X-axis and 600 mm for Z-axis, providing ample machining capacity. The 826 high-speed sleeve spindle uses Japan NSK P4 precision bearings for high accuracy and efficiency. The 828 spindle is also available for heavier loads. Our standard machine goes with an 8-inch hydraulic chuck for bar processing less than 52 mm and chucking work less than 400 mm. A 10-inch hydraulic chuck is also optional for larger bar stock less than 76 mm with compatible spindle upgrades. The BMT 5512 station power turret supports 0-degree or 90-degree milling heads, enabling milling, turning, tapping, and drilling into one setup. Ideal for complete machining for complex parts. A manual hydraulic tail stalk supports long shaft machining with programmable clamping control of easy use. This is a part catcher which allows automatic finished part removal, enabling continuous unmanned production. This is the electrical cabinet with French Schneider electrical components. This is an automatic lubrication system. The CK-108MY is a versatile and stable CNC turn mill center, suitable for high accuracy components in automotive, mold, aerospace, and more. It delivers outstanding performance in rigidity, precision, and functionality, an excellent choice for boosting your productivity. If you are interested in our machines, you are welcome to visit our website www.lakemancnc.com or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your watching.